मेरा सवाल ये था कि इंडस्ट्री के लोग कितना जज करते हैं, क्योंकि नॉर्मली
तेल लगाने गए यार लोग. Doesn't matter यार. That's what I'm saying. See, that's the first thing I did when I did, I think, Nach Baliye. That was the first outing I had after my pregnancy. That was 8 months after I delivered. तो मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी. ये ऑफ ही हो गया मैं अच्छा. बहुत डरी हुई थी. कपड़े फिट नहीं हो रहे थे. I was a size 16. I was a size 16. I was double the size that I have ever been in my life. And as I went through the show, obviously जब काम भी कर रहे हैं तो वो भी एक I think that also gives you enough inspiration to kind of, or a goal, you know, for you to set कि अभी यार ऐसे तो नहीं जा सकते. I think you just have to be responsible. Some do it for their loved ones, some do it for their work. I think you have to do it for yourself. I think first and foremost, you have to give yourself importance. And most importantly, I think the only thing that I want you all to take back home from this is please start chewing your food properly. That's where most ailments have started to happen in our lives, because we're not chewing our food properly. Don't gulp down water. So if you go with the philosophy of eat your water and chew your water and drink your food, that is something that will really go a very, very long way. And breathe, guys. None of you are breathing. You're just living. We are not breathing. Like, inhale, exhale. None of us are breathing. Our chest is not opening up. There is no positivity going in. There's no negativity coming out. It's all there. It's all becoming into this big volcano, और फिर एक दिन तुम लोग सब फट जाओगे. So we need to breathe, guys. And trust me, if you start focusing on these two things, you will be so much more happier, so much more successful. You will be, mentally light. You'll not be fighting with your husband. You will make him better food. Chew. And keep your mobile phones away when you guys are eating your food. I think the biggest problem with all of us is that we've got this phone that needs to be surgically removed from our hands. Seriously. I really think that is the one time that you all need to keep your phones aside. Shout at your husband.
सबकी शादी नहीं हुई.
And shout at your wife if you have a wife. Keep the phone aside at that time when you're eating. No phones are allowed when you all are eating. Make these small changes. And हम लोग health की बात कर रहे हैं तो you all must be thinking ये phone के बारे में क्यों बात कर रही है? These are the things that are going to affect your health. The radiation that these phones are emitting. So, and also your children, never ever feed a child with a TV on or an iPad or a phone thing going on. That's a new fad that people have started. I don't know why. There have been researches that have proved that your child's digestion goes down by nearly 40%, Luke. He's nodding. 40%. You're reducing the digestion by 40%. So what actually should be getting digested by your child, you're reducing it by 40%. And you know what? If you make that a pattern, your child will not ask for it. My child does not watch any iPad or any TV while eating. Vian, is it allowed? Children don't lie. So, अगर आप एक पैटर्न बनाओगे तो वो पैटर्न रहेगा. फिर आप अपने बच्चे को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि ब्लेम आपको जाता है. So how you are, and when you talk about अरे बड़े को देखते हैं तो अरे पैर छुओ बेटा, नमस्ते करो, लोग क्या समझेंगे हमने अपने बच्चों को अच्छी संस्कृति या we've not taught them good manners. Why can't we have the same kind of belief when we come to eating food? Why can't you inculcate those habits in a child from a young age? That is far more important, and that will go down a very long way for your child. So start today, guys. I really hope this is not a lecture, this is not a preaching session. I really want people to enjoy and take back home something positive.